Hello, in this video I will talk about the news I selected and how I applied them in the theory. Theory was cultivation theory. I gave in the text, I gave the definition first of all. Then I explained the its side effects of crime-related news on individuals' health or general well-being. I used as example. I used three news from Khazar Khabar, which I cited three sources, which about the crime-related which were crime-related news, and I was asked to give sample of 7 days. 7 days new. So within a week, I chose three citation from Khazar Khabar, as I mentioned, and to apply the theory, I cited multiple resources about the side effects of watching crime-related news on people. And as I mentioned, I gave the definition of cultivation theory.